Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install, configure, and manage the Order Additional Fields module to collect custom order information according to your business needs. Let's get started. Log into the admin area of your website. Once the module is installed, go to Modules and open the Extensions tab. Locate the Order Additional Fields module and click Edit. In the Settings section, enable the module by switching the status toggle to On. Now that the module is active, click Update. Now, let's return to the previous page. Next, we will manage additional order field groups and fields. Click the Additional Order Fields button. This will open the Additional Order Fields Groups page. Here, field groups can be added, edited, or deleted to help organize custom order data more efficiently. Use the Quick Search field to quickly locate groups by name. Click Edit to configure the group code and create titles in multiple languages. Return to the previous page and double-click the required group to manage its fields. On the Additional Order Fields page, fields can be added, edited, or deleted as needed. Use the Quick Search field to locate specific fields faster. Click Edit to configure field settings. Here, you can set the field code, select the field type, such as text box, text area, checkbox, or radio button. Enable required fields. Configure the Always Show option. Create field titles in multiple languages. After configuring the required fields, save your changes. That's it. The Order Additional Fields module is now configured and ready to collect custom order information tailored to your business requirements. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please give it a like and subscribe to stay updated with our future guides.